Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's May 2nd, 2025. It's about 7:50 in the morning. And like 52 degrees out here. Sky is blue. Yeah, it's pretty. It's nice and warm. Hopefully it stays this way. These are the mornings I love. Anyway, everyone's taken care of this morning. Food, water, Bella's been milked. So I'm gonna go ahead and give me a cup of coffee and start the day. Well, my plan is to move some of this stuff here. Hopefully I get more chips and we'll put them here where this equipment is, in these bins. Most of these bins are full of this junk, car parts, and some shingles from the old roof.